In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to watch NHL games on Roku. Let's get started. First, turn on your Roku device and open the channel store from the main menu. Use the search feature to find the NHL app. Then select it and click Add Channel or Install. Once the installation is complete, launch the NHL app and sign in with your TV provider credentials if you have a cable or streaming subscription that includes NHL coverage. If you don't have a traditional TV provider, don't worry. You can subscribe to streaming services that carry NHL games such as ESPN Plus, Sling TV, Hulu Plus, or YouTube TV depending on the games and channels available in your region. After signing in through the appropriate service, you'll be able to access live broadcasts, national matchups, and additional hockey content directly from your Roku device. Once everything is set up, simply open the NHL app or your preferred streaming service and browse the available live games. You'll also find game replays, highlights, analysis, and other on-demand NHL content. Keep in mind that some games may be subject to local broadcast restrictions or require specific subscriptions, so availability can vary depending on your location and provider. And that's it. With Roku and the right streaming service, you can watch NHL games, catch up on replays, and follow your favorite teams all season long. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.